Hello, tubers. So anyways, we got one of these locks, and they're supposed to be like theft proof, really hard to cut. Anyways, I lost the key, so I'm gonna see how hard it is to actually cut one of these open. And it's just a standard cable lock, but you know, I can't remember what I paid. I remember I paid pretty big money for it. I think it was like $30 or something, and it was like, they had a big title on it saying, oh yeah, it's theft proof and all this. Anyways, I'm gonna get rigged up here. I'm gonna get my angle grinder ready to go, and I'm just gonna use a standard steel blade, and we'll see if we can get through it with that. Stick with me. I'm gonna shut you down for a minute. We'll turn you back on when I'm ready. Cheers. Get the particles off this thing. It's all full of all kinds of shit. Okay, so I got angle grinder, cable. Let's see if we can get through it. Okay, people, here we go. Start the clock. Oh, you know what? I should set the stopwatch to see how long it takes me to get through it. We'll go to clock. Let's go stopwatch. Okay, I'm going to turn the angle grinder on. I'm going to hit start. And there we go. And time. So, look at that. It wasn't hard at all. There's nothing special about this shit. Fucking look at it. There, 8 seconds. 8.39 seconds is what it took me to cut through that. There's nothing special about this. They charge big bucks, and you know what? You can cut through the thing in 8 seconds. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.